Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching the third episode of how to make money online with Adsterra. And I think this third version of how to make money with Adsterra, this third episode is meant for those that has a website of their own and want to place an ad on their website. So in my last video, I explained how to create these direct links, and today I'm going to be explaining how to create uh, a website link. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to add your website. Okay, you need to have your website, and for the sake of those that has a website, and for the primary sake of this video, I'm going to be making use of my normal account to demonstrate this is my normal Adsterra account, and this is the website I'm talking about. So once you click on your website tab, it will load this page for you. And if you click on this drop down, firstly you need to click here to add your website. Once you click on add website, you type the URL of your website. No need of putting https or www.com, and you just select category of your website. And all these, they are not necessary for now. The ad units, remove campaign with clinical, they are not necessary for now. So you just go on and click on add, and maybe after 5 minutes you refresh and you discover that they've already approved your app. So far you sign in through the nigerbio.com website. I told you, I explained this in my first video, that if you want to sign into Adsterra and want to call the quick approval, make sure you go through nigerbio.com, and this is their home page for nigerbio.com. Just click on this join Adsterra, and it's going to make them approve you immediately, virtually immediately. Once you apply for Adsterra, make sure you go through nigerbio.com. Okay, so what you do here is you click on add code. That is after your website has gotten approved. Click on add code. So if you click on add code, it's going to ask you the website, and you can see the website is nigerbio.com. But assuming you have more than one website, it's going to highlight this option so that you can select the website you want. The website category is also permanent, so you can't change it unless you go to the settings of the website and change the category. And so what you do here now is this a direct link. You don't need to create a direct link here. If you want a direct link, you know where to go to. If you watch the second part episode of this tutorial, you know it's all about how to create a direct link. But for this for the sake of this video, the one you need to create is just Popanda banner. This is another banner. You can see the size of those banner, social bar, and the native banner. One thing about Adsterra is you can't create a single ad unit twice. You can see I've created Popanda, though it's not active because it's been long I use it. This banner 300 by 250 is not showing. It's not active. Native banner is not active. Social banner is the only one active that I'm currently using, and you can see it here, only the social banner. So once you click on add code, you select, let's assume you want to place this banner on your website. So you select this and you click on add. Okay, if you want adult content to be displayed in your video, sorry, through the link, if you want the destination page to sometimes take them to adult website, you can uncheck this box, and it's going to take them to any random website. Then if you want only normal neutral website, make sure you click on this and click on Gambo. And if you create these ad units, if you want to click on add, it's going to show you pending, where this inactive or active written. What you see is pending, and within maybe 10-20 minutes, sometimes less than 10 minutes, you get approval and it's become active. Then you can click on get code. Once you click on get code, you copy the code and you go to your HTML and paste it. So far, since you are a web designer, or let me say since you are a blogger and you wish to have this on your website. I don't think I need to go to my dashboard, to my login dashboard of my account of my blog website to show you how to paste it. All you need to do, if you are using a WordPress website, then you go to your maybe insert header and footer. That's the normal plugin, insert header and footer, or you download the plugin add inserter. Then you can just paste the link anywhere. Okay, you can place it within the header, the footer, or the body. If you are using the uh if you are using the banner sign, then you need to place it through a widget. That is, if you are using a banner, you need to place it through a widget. Okay, you know what widget means. Just create a widget, maybe a sidebar widget, maybe a header widget, or you make use of add inserter. Okay, add inserter will enable you to place maybe after a paragraph, after one image or the other. It has a lot of options, so you can download the add inserter plugin and start making use of it. It really helps so much. But I think out of all the ads you need, they have the social bar is still the best for now. The added social bar not quite long. It's not up to maybe 2 years now, but it's very, very okay. Other ad unit also work fine. The Popanda work fine, very fine. In fact, most of these maybe let me say bloggers that are using Adsterra make it more using Popanda, but I prefer the display, the interface of social bar. And the banner counts on impression. Sometimes you need to have minimum click on your banner with higher impression so that you can have a low CTR and a very high revenue. So that is how to create that's how to create an ad unit on Adsterra and place it on your website. I'm not going to go to my dashboard to show you how to place it, but I believe if you are watching this third part, you must have been familiar with how to place banners in your blog website, how to place ad links in your blog website. So thank you for watching this video. I said in my next video I'm going to show you how to get a good traffic source to your website and to your direct clicks. I've already uploaded the video on my tutorial account, and I'm going to be dropping the link of that account under this video. In fact, under all the video that is going to be in this playlist. In their description, I'm going to drop the link that will take you to my tutorial account. I have PDF uploaded in my tutorial account, and I have videos uploaded in my tutorial account as well. So not all the video you'll be watching under this playlist will teach you everything you need to know. At least if you are creating a link, a direct link, for example, you need to know where to share your links that will make you to have enough click and generate high revenue for you. But if you are not if you only depends on the video you are watching on YouTube, then definitely I believe you must have your own method of getting traffic. So if you have your own real method of getting traffic on your link or to your website, you don't have too much bothered about going for the paid course I uploaded on tutorial. But you still need to learn more about how you can get traffic, and trust me about one thing is the fourth episode, because after this video what you will see next is the fifth episode, which is going to be which is going to be the part 5 of this Adsterra for Publisher tutorial. But the part 4 is going to be uploaded under my tutorial account. Trust me with one thing, all the traffic source I showed there as a secret traffic source are legit, and they've helped me so much. So this will keep me inside, and this is what I do most time, 24 hours. And I'm opportunity to do it anytime I like. And since it's automated, you really don't even have to sit down with your system and do it your 24 hours. Okay, but it's still very, very okay. I already told you some common traffic source that you may think that's the best, but let me tell you, they are not the best. Your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Facebook, your maybe LinkedIn, they are still not the best source for you to get traffic on your clicks. There are other secret traffic sources that you haven't heard about, and I'm going to be explaining them in my fourth video, which is going to be under my tutorial uh, course. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the fifth episode where I will dwell more on the API part of this video, explanation to your payment threshold and your profile. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless.